How to hack anyone by sending a link. Open Terminal on Kali Linux and runs Fisher. Select the site you want to hack accounts for. I'm going to use Roblox. Select Cloudflare hosting and answer all the questions. Send your generated link to people you want to hack. When they are on the site, it will ask them to log in, but when they do, the passwords will be sent to you. Now check your terminal for their account details. If they logged in, you will have their password and you can hijack their account. We are in. Now we can do anything on their account, such as stealing their in-game items or Robux.